Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Still washing baby bottles by hand every single day. Imagine loading dirty bottles into one machine, pressing a single button and coming back to bottles that are washed, steam sterilized, completely dry and ready for your baby's next feeding. That's exactly that the Eufy Security S1 baby bottle washer, sterilizer and dryer promises. With features like 3D HydroBlast cleaning, 212-degree Fahrenheit sterilization, dual fan drying, smart app control, and 72-hour sterilized storage. It sounds like the ultimate solution for busy parents, but does it actually live up to the hype? Let's find out. Unlike a standard bottle sterilizer, the Eufy Security S1 is an all-in-one machine that automatically washes, steams, sterilizes, dries, and stores baby bottles and feeding accessories. Simply load dirty bottles, add detergent, choose a cleaning cycle, and let the machine do the work. It can hold up to 10 standard bottles or 4 bottles with a complete breast pump kit, making it ideal for parents who go through multiple bottles every day. The machine is also compatible with bottle nipples, pacifiers, breast pump parts, and other feeding accessories. One of the biggest highlights is the 3D HydroBlast cleaning system. It uses 5 layers of water flow, 8 directional spray jets, and 59 precision nozzles to clean bottles from multiple angles, helping remove dried milk residue without manual scrubbing. After washing, the machine automatically uses 212-degree Fahrenheit steam to sterilize bottles and accessories before switching to its dual fan drying system, which uses 360-degree hot air circulation to dry everything thoroughly. Instead of leaving bottle on a drying rack, the Eufy S1 can keep them clean and protected inside the machine for up to 72 hours. It also includes smart app control, allowing you to start cycles, monitor progress, and receive notification directly from your phone. Many parents also ask about the difference between the S1 and S1 Pro. Both models offer nearly identical washing performance, 212-degree Fahrenheit steam sterilization, drying large capacity, and smart features. The main advantages of the S1 Pro is its built-in water softener, which helps reduce hard water spots and mineral buildup. If your home has soft water, the standard S1 offers almost the same experience at a better price. But if you live in a hard water area, the S1 Pro may be worth the extra cost. Customer feedback has been largely positive. Many parents say that Eufy S1 saves a significant amount of time by eliminating the need to hand wash bottles after every feeding. Reviewers also praise its cleaning performance, large capacity, and the convenience of washing bottles and pump parts together in one cycle. Parents especially like the air control and the ability to prepare bottles ahead of time using the 72-hour storage mode. The most common complaints are that the machine takes up a fair amount of counter space and can be a little noisy during the wash cycle. Before buying, remember that this is a premium priced machine. You'll also need enough kitchen counter space, and regular cleaning and maintenance will help keep it performing at its best. For many parents, though, the convenience easily outweighs these minor drawbacks. Who should buy it? I think the Eufy Security S1 is a great choice for new parents, exclusive pumping moms, families using multiple bottles every day, parents looking to save time, anyone waiting an all-in-one bottle washer, steam sterilizer, and dryer. After looking at its features and real customer feedback, the Eufy Security S1 baby bottle washer, sterilizer, and dryer stands out as one of the best all-in-one bottle washer available in 2026. While it costs more than a basic sterilizer and requires some counter space, the time it can save may make it a worthwhile investment. If you would like to check the latest price or discount, you will find my affiliate link in the description below. I have also reviewed other bottle washers and sterilizers, so be sure to check those videos if you are comparing different models. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment. Would you choose the Eufy S1 or S1 Pro? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.